So where are we going?
I don't know. Canal?
What are you YouTubing us?
Yeah.
He has a channel, so.
You have a channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all gotta subscribe.
We all have to. I was the first one.
Oh, okay. So this is fairly new then, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I made it 1, 2, 3 days ago.
Chad, come here.
First video was
Help me.
me, football.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I really
This
gotta
guy.
check. I really like the end of it when you videotaped me at the end.
Yeah.
Saying, who won? Us, 40-0.
Like, so here's 101. I know the bike.
So you subscribing, Connor?
I need to figure out how to do an account. I
Well,
can't tell if that's
Connor-
the part that's stripped or is a different part.
Connor, what happened?
Thing, the,
Pedal came off.
you don't think it's stripped?
No, I think you just need a tool
Dang.
to move this back here like this.
Do we have a tool back
Kinda
at
wish
the
I
house?
got
Yeah, well, you got the tools. Let's head back to the house. It's gonna be a short ride tonight, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all
Stop it. Okay. So we're probably not gonna go on a long bike ride, right?
For what?
I don't
For
know.
this?
You don't know.
And I
I'm
did
not in
the
charge of
exact
the
thing.
activity.
No, I had to fix it because he made
Well,
me
you
do
kind of are.
it.
Yeah.
This is the third time.
He's in
Bridget.
charge.
It's the third time. Just remember the second time I tried doing it.
Yeah, first time pedal broke. Second time the thing got stripped and now that fell off. Yeah, third time.
So he's screwing the pedal back on.
I think so.
So it looks like he's doing it correctly because I don't know what I was doing and it wasn't correct. Then must be on the pedal. I don't know.
Brother Deskin,
Are you
did you
bringing
go
that
to
headlight?
college?
What?
Did you go to college?
No, I didn't.
We literally found a frog.
Dude.
Somebody smashed it?
Most likely.
That's a toad. Not even a frog.
It's a toad.
It's
Dead.
alive.
Oh, it's alive. Most likely hit, but
Looks like someone smashed it.
Is that a
yeah,
toad?
it's a toad.
Yeah.
Gosh, out
Is it dead?
here, gosh,
Oh, it moved.
nowhere.
I saw it move.
It's a toad.
Go.
I don't know if it's poisonous.
Touch it, brother Deskin. No, I'm not touching it.
I gladly will. I just don't know if
It's
it's
dead.
poisonous. Yeah.
It's not poisonous. It's just.
Oh, this is the, I think the football stadium, State Farm Stadium. We don't know what's happening right now, but there's a lot of cars. I mean, never mind. There was a lot of cars. Alright.
Go with Lincoln.
Gosh. Oh yeah, we're done with the bike ride. Bye.
What are you gonna say, Connor?
Stupid pedal. I hate that thing.
Yeah, he does.
Because it broke off. That was very dumb.
Yeah. Please don't subscribe to my channel. It's horrible. Don't do it.
Please subscribe. Just like, this
Josh.
man's just stupid.
Josh, saying.
Love you guys. See you later.
Josh, telling them.